How to save Google Photos to gallery. Firstly, you have to open Google Photos app from your phone. Now, how to save? Click on the photo which you want to save in your gallery. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now at the top right corner there are three dots here. Click on it. This type of screen appears. At the second you can see move to add to album. Click on it. In this way you can share your photo to your gallery. Now this photo will be saved in your gallery. Now you can go back and open your phone gallery. Click on the images. You can see that photo is being saved from Google Photos to your gallery. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.